Welcome back to Top 5 Repairs. How do you know you have a bad rear main seal? The rear main seal is located between the engine and transmission, and it is going to be mounted right at the end of the crankshaft, right there. In this video, I'm going to explain the symptoms and why the rear main seal start to fail. So again, the rear main seal is located between the engine and transmission, and when the rear main seal start to go bad and it start to wear out, it's going to leak engine oil. So if you see engine oil leaking between the engine and the transmission, and you see a huge puddle of oil on the floor, that could be a sign that the rear main seal is failing. A bad rear main seal can cause a massive oil leak. Due to its location, the crankshaft is always spinning, so this can cause a lot of the engine oil to leak out very fast. If you're unaware that your engine is losing a lot of engine oil caused by a bad rear main seal, this can cause the engine to rapidly overheat due to lack of lubrication and increased friction. And of course, this can definitely cause the engine to seize again due to lack of lubrication. What causes the rear main seal to fail? And number one is going to be normal wear and tear, and number two is going to be caused by low engine oil. If you're always driving with low engine oil, the rear main seal may not get enough engine oil to properly lubricate it, and again, this can cause it to prematurely fail. The next reason is going to be caused by a bad PCV. If the PCV is stuck closed, then all that pressure inside the crankcase cannot be relieved. Instead, all that pressure is going to stay in the crankcase area, and that pressure needs to go somewhere. So that pressure is going to go to the seal on the rear main seal and other seals such as the oil pan, gasket, and so on, and it can cause multiple seals on the engine to prematurely fail. The next reason is going to be caused by bad engine bearing or a bad crankshaft. Now, if the engine bearings start to fail or the crankshaft start to fail, this can cause the crankshaft to become unbalanced when it starts to rotate. When it starts to rotate and when it is unbalanced, it can cause a lot of damage to the rear main seal when the crankshaft is spinning. The next reason is going to be caused by overheating. If your engine overheats too long and it gets too hot, this can cause a lot of rubber on the engine to start to become brittle. It can cause it to start to harden, and it can cause it to crack. So it's going to affect the rear main seal and a lot of rubber seals or gasket on the engine. I hope you found that video useful. As always, thank you for watching and subscribe to Top 5 Auto Repairs.